What's going on YouTube? Um, Today I'm gonna show you. Well, I'm gonna try and see if this really works. I've been watching some videos on the stock ignition switch. As you can see right now, I can't do anything. The key is stuck. I mean, I can take it out, but it won't turn. You know. So I'm gonna try that method that everybody talking about. Well, I've been watching some videos. So I don't have a rubber hammer. So I'm just gonna use a regular, let me see if I can show you. I'm just gonna use this regular hammer. I'm just gonna tap it just a little bit so I won't have to break the key. I don't wanna break the key and then we're gonna be in big trouble, you know what I'm saying? So let's give it a try and see what happens. Alright? So let's do it. Let me put my camera right here. Oh. Whoa. Alright. Can y'all see me, guys? Alright. Let's see if it works. Here we go. Well, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Check that out. Check these out. Just check these out. It worked. And I only tap it like what, 3-4 times? Look at it. The dash is on. Bro, that shit worked. Look at that. I don't even want to turn it back. But look. Oh. Alright. It worked. There you go. Ooh-wee. So yeah, guys, if your ignition switch is stuck where you can't turn your key, try that. Tap it a couple times with a rubber hammer. I didn't have one, so I just used this. I tap it about what, 3-4 times, and bam, I'm back in business. So now I can crank my truck up. Let's see if it'll crank up. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Let me turn this truck off. Cut it off. It still turns. So thanks for watching the video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and appreciate it. I hope this helped for someone else. If your ignition switch is stuck and you can't turn it, try that. It should work. Okay, it worked for me. So alright guys, see ya, and I'm out.